Hey everyone, it's Alex with Be Organizing. I wanted to share with you 3 things you need to do to your email inbox right now that you need to set up if you haven't already. It will really help eliminate those emails, the amount of emails that you have in your inbox, and kind of just get some control over your email, right? I mean, how many emails do you have in there right now? I can only imagine. I know we've seen our fair share of thousands and thousands of emails that come in for our clients, and we want to help you. So one thing you want to make sure that you have is a folder system. So just like you do with your digital documents and anything else really, your paper, you want to have a folder system that you can then put your emails into once you have read them or dealt with them, and you can reference them later if you need to keep them. Sometimes you don't need to. So for example, let's say you're going on a trip or something and you have an itinerary or an Airbnb schedule, the hotel confirmation, airfare confirmation, all that. You can then create a travel folder for that type of stuff, right? And then every once in a while you can go through your folder for your travel and delete it. So if you've already done the travel, delete those emails. If you have new travel coming in, you have a place for them. So set up a folder structure in your email right away if you haven't already. The second thing you want to do is set up filters. So filters in your email could be if you receive emails from certain people about certain things. So like if you're a part of a group or an association, or you have family members that you hear from and you want to just automatically not just see those in your inbox right away, you can have them automatically filtered to go to a certain folder. And then if you're worried about not seeing those emails later and you might miss something, don't worry. Your email system will actually bold the folder just like it bolds your email inbox, and it will bold it for any unread messages. So then you can easily find it. So then you can just make sure you're always checking your folders, and it's just utilizing those folders, utilizing that stuff, and really designating that time. So if you're part of a group and you don't want those emails just in your face all the time and there's some back and forth going on, well, if it's in a folder system and it's in that folder, then you can say, okay, well, at the end of the day, I'm going to check that and make sure I didn't miss anything, and you'll see them all right there. Boom, done. So utilize folders, filters, and the last thing you want to do is set up some canned, what's called in Gmail, canned responses. Other places it could be called signatures. This is for things that kind of like a template email. So let's say you reuse the same language, or you're constantly writing the same thing about certain subjects to people, and you can create a template per se in a canned response and continue to reuse it, and obviously make modifications as per whoever you're emailing. It's really easy though, because you don't have to retype everything. So at least you have like a base to start with. So try those out. So folder, filter, canned responses / signatures, okay? So set those 3 things up if you haven't already, and let's get those emails under control. All right, till next time.